Hey teachers, I just wanted to give you a few quick updates on new features that you can use in Google Docs. One cool thing you can do to spice up your documents is change your bullet points. So what you're going to do is just take your cursor and click right over those bullet points, and then right click and click more bullets. This will bring up this little special characters box right here. Now you can see right now I'm on symbols, and I can choose from these arrows, or I can go down to emoticons, game pieces. And then once I choose one of these things, it will go ahead and replace my bullet point with one of those options. So I'm going to go here and go to emoji, and we'll just use this cute little arrow finger right here. And you can see now all of my bullet points are that little emoji finger. You can also do this to just one bullet point at a time by clicking just like you did before. But then if you click once more, it only highlights one bullet point, and then you can go ahead and change it to something different if you would like. The other cool feature is you can now change the page setup of just one page in your document. In order to do this, go ahead and highlight the text on the page that you would like to change the setup of. And then you're going to go to File, go down to Page Setup, and then where it says Apply To up here, you can either choose the whole document, or because I have text selected on that page, I can click Selected Content, and then I can change the orientation, so from portrait to landscape, and I can even change the margins just on that one page. And if I were to go ahead and do that and switch to landscape and click OK, you can see now in my document, this page, now I had a little bit of extra text, so it turned into 2 landscape pages, but then the rest of my document has stayed in that portrait mode. So I hope you find these updates useful. Bye, teachers.